Welcome back. It's your GB to G. I'm back today with a Puerto Rico trap beat. Today I'm going to be making a beat called How to Make a Puerto Rico Trap Beat today. So I'm going to be using 130 BPM for my Puerto Rico trap beat. Make sure you subscribe so anytime I drop new videos you will get notified. Turn on your notification bell so anytime I drop new videos you will immediately get notified. Now I'm going to launch my FL Studio to start programming my Puerto Rico trap beat. I'm just going to bring my mouse here, right click, and open my open my FL Studio to start programming my Puerto Rico trap beat. Now I'm launching my FL Studio. I've opened my FL Studio. I'm going to pick Citrus for my Puerto Rico trap beat. This is my Citrus. I'm going to put my mouse waist up and left click, hold it, turn it to 5, channel 5. If you look at my mixer here, you will see it at channel 5. This is here. I've already routed on my mixer. Now I'm going to right click and open up my piano roll. As you can see, I'm going to change this one. I'm going to change this melody by clicking here. I'm entering the preset. This is it. I'll make sure I pick the right preset for my Puerto Rico trap beat. Now I'm looking for the right preset for my Puerto Rico trap beat. Now I'm going to use this melody for my Puerto Rico trap beat. I'll start programming my Puerto Rico melodies like this. Like this. Now I've created a 2 bars pattern. I'm going to copy it right to bars number 8. I'm going to click here and left click, hold it, highlight it, and copy it, and press Ctrl and B to copy it right up to bars number 8. That's it. Now I'm going to play it again. Now I'm going to mix my melody using a Fruity Reverb tool. I'm going to add a Fruity Parametric EQ tool. Now I'm going to pick my second melody to add it in this one to create my Puerto Rico trap beat. Now I'm going to route this to channel 6. Yes, this is my second melody. I'm going to right click, create my bass melodies. Now I'm going to program my hi-hat, and this time I'm going to program my hi-hat by right clicking and clicking feed each 2 steps. You hear it sound like this. Now I'm going to bring up my hi-hats. I'm going to right click, press piano roll, Control and A, pitch it up. I'm going to add a sound equalizer. I'm going to right click, open my piano roll, my snare. I'm going to add a sound equalizer. I'm going to right click on my hi-hats. Now I'm going to arrange my hi-hats. Now I'm going to bring in my kick for my Puerto Rico trap beats like this. I'm going to use this one. This is my favorite kick, and my tempo is 130 BPM. And now I'm going to right click, piano roll. Now the next step is I'm going to click on my kick and boss it. And this time I'm going to boss my kick. I'm going to click on my kick like this. This is a boss icon. I'm going to click here, and turn up the boss. Now hear the way it sounds. This is a main source. Now I'm going to arrange my beat by clicking on my playlist. And where you have written part 1, I'm going to right click, split by channel. I'm going to click on my kick, bring it in, click on my hi-hat, bring it in, click on my snare, bring it in, click on my first melody and bring it in, click on my second melody and just click on my playlist like this. Now I'm going to arrange my beat. I'm going to arrange my beat like this. Now I'm going to arrange my beat now. Now I'm going to add an automation by right clicking, create automation. Right click again and create automation. Now let's listen to my few full Puerto Rico trap beats. This is the outro of my Puerto Rico trap beats. This is the intro of my Puerto Rico trap beats. And here I've removed the kick, the hi-hat, the snare. And this is the outro. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe.